Hi, I'm Raymond Copeland from Active VMA in Rotorua. Just like to introduce you to the FAE tractor forestry mulcher that we bring into New Zealand. FAE make a range of mulchers from 50 up to 500 horsepower tractors. These machines are predominantly designed for clearing forestry blocks and standing trees. Very cost-effective way of doing this. The features of this FAE machine here is, start with this one, is a hydraulic push frame for pushing the trees back to keep them away from the tractor cab so you're not damaging. In here as well we have the hydraulic opening door which exposes the rotor. On the rotor we have 48 double tungsten carbide teeth, and along with 2 C3 side scraper teeth, so we make sure no material is getting built up in the side of the rotor. The other feature with this machine, it has what we call Z-style self-alignment for the gearbox, which comes with a hydraulic top link connected to the tractor. So when you move the top link in and out, it keeps the PTO shaft straight, so you're not going to prematurely wear out the UJ joints. The other feature as well on this is we have adjustable skids for your height. So if the ground conditions permit and if there's too much stones, you can actually drop the skids down and the machine will clear away the stones. Best suited for farmers and forestry contractors. They're the who they're suited for. And it's a very cheap and a cost-effective way of turning unproductive land back into something that's going to produce something, crops, etc. And if you would like to speak to us a bit more about this machine, you can contact us at Active VMA Rotorua and www.activevma.co.nz. Thank you.